Girl, I just got up and I'm so tired. I am exhausted right now. I'm really exhausted because it's 5 o'clock in the morning and I got my lights on and I'm tired. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I have to brush these videos off and I'm tired. Everybody's asleep, snoring, except for me. And look at my hair. It looks a hot mess. Imagine I kept this hair up for about 2 weeks now and girl, it's ready to come out. But I don't want to take it out because this hair is really beautiful and girl, I love this hair so much. I cut it right and I went out in the world and I showed this hair off and girl, I had so many heads turning and I was just like, do I have anything on me? Do I have a stain on my shirt? Do I have anything on my head? Okay, everybody was like, oh my god, I love your hair, I love your hair, I love your hair, I love your hair. I was like, thank you. Like, and then some people was just like looking at me, just staring at me, and I'm just like, she don't like me, she don't like me. But I am so excited about this look, and sorry guys about my audio, but it's okay. It's okay, and it's kind of who I am, okay? It's who I am, and that's just that. But I love when it gets old. I love when my hair gets old because I can just wag it any way I want. And yeah, my arm is hurting me so bad. But girl, you cannot knock this hair. This color is so pretty, especially in the sunlight, because girl, look at it. Like, I cut it in layers. And when I tell you this hair, when I was cutting this hair, it was like styling its own thing. And I'm really excited about it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys thought about this hair. And I just want to say that when you look at my channel and you don't know how to do hair, girl, just follow me, follow what I'm doing, and that will motivate you to do your own hair. You're not gonna have to pay anybody $75 because look at me. I came from not knowing how to do my hair to doing my hair, and girl, I came a long way because you couldn't tell me that I didn't know how to do, that Diamond didn't know how to do some hair, because I did not know how to do any hair at all. Girl, I used to have glue everywhere and you couldn't tell me like she did that. Now everybody and their mama want their hair done by me. Okay, I was just like, okay, you can get it done for free. You can get it done for free for me. But I'm just saying, shoot, you can just get your hair, like, you can just do your own hair. And girl, the way I style my hair is the way it is when I'm asleep, okay? The way it is when I'm asleep. And I don't even put a scarf on my head because, I mean, it's gonna get old anyway. And I love my hair being old anyway, so that's just that. I love when my hair is old. And girl, words cannot explain how things are, and I'm literally excited. Thank you all so much for all of you guys' support. Thank you all so much, and I cannot explain it. Thank you all so much. But thank you all for just listening to me, and I can just get on here and talk to you guys, and you guys don't have any bad vibes, or I don't have any bad vibes from you guys. And that's kind of amazing how things work like that. Like, seriously, to be honest, girl, I don't have anybody to talk to except for you guys, and I can just get on here and just talk to you guys, and you guys will listen and give me some advice, like, and I'll give you guys advice too. Of course, you're my family, and that's just how it is, okay? But girl, back to this hair. This hair, honey, I don't even want to take it out. I probably just keep it up for about an extra week or something, because I don't want to take it out. I really don't. And I want to keep this up. Really want to keep this up, and probably just go ahead and keep it up for an extra week or two, because probably just keep this up for about a week or two. One more week or two. I'm still thinking, but girl, I'm trying to see what other hairstyle I'm gonna do next. Probably take you guys to the store with me. I'll probably take you guys to the store with me to see what hair I'm gonna do, what brand I'm gonna use. I don't know, but I guess I'll see. We'll see. You know how picky I be in the store, and they just be like, lady, come on, which hair are you gonna get? Which hair, what hair are you gonna get? And I be like, no, I want this, no, I want that. And they be like, you know what, just get the whole thing, okay? Especially when I get my nails done, they be like, what color do you want? Girl, that's just how I am. I don't know, but I do need to get my nails done, and I want you guys to go with me, but not today. I'm actually having a lot of things that I have to do today, and girl, it's just a lot of stuff that I have in stores for you guys, and I can't wait to brush that out to you guys. I'm so excited. But enough said, girl. I'm thinking about taking you guys to the store with me. What time is it? Trying to fit this in my schedule. Should I just go take you guys with me? So I really want you guys to see the world with me. Probably not today, okay? Probably another day. Another day. But girl, let's finish talking about, girl, let me tell you about this. When I was pumping my gas, let me tell you, this guy literally walked up to me and was like, can I get your number? And I'm like, can you get my number? In my mind, I was just like, can you get my number? Hell no. But I was just like, no, I'm okay. And he's like, oh, getting aggressive and stuff. And I'm just like, why are you getting so offended? Like, because I don't want to talk to you. And that's just the thing. These gentlemen have to realize, if a girl say no, why are you so aggressive about it? Like, you know what I'm saying? Why are you so aggressive about it? You don't have to be aggressive when a girl says no. And that's just what I said. I said no. And he was just like, oh, so I'm not too good for you? Like, I didn't say that. And back up. And like, seriously, I was just like, back up. I didn't say it to him, but I was just like, back up. But girl, when you're classy and you are like, you know, when you're like that, you just like, I don't want nobody number. I don't want to be that type of attention. I don't want to be talked to like that. And you gotta realize, hey, if you're gonna talk to me like that and say, hey, can I get, you didn't even speak, you didn't even say anything. If you can't talk to me like that, why would I want to talk to you? Why would any girl want to talk to him? Like, ew. He had his print showing. His print. Yeah. Like, that's really disrespectful and nasty. Like, why did you have your print showing? Ew. I was like, ew. I don't even want to. You need to get it back. Back up. Back up. away from me. Ew. Like, you have to be really, really, really classy and just say no. If you're really, really bored, girl, write in your notebook, what did you do today? Write in your notebook, how did things go in your life today? What happened? Like me personally, I really, really write down everything I did, everything that I accomplished today. That's what I write down in my notebook, and I keep that right on the side of my bed. Yeah, I do. I keep that right on the side of my bed, and that actually worked. And you can go back and read that. You can date it, the same date you wrote that, you can date it and just do it like that. That's just what I do. I write every single thing down in my notebook. Yeah, that's what I do. And it really helps me to move forward in life, to go better and harder. Like, you know, yeah, that's just how I do it. And it really amazes me how things are going in my life, and I'm really excited, you know, to share this with you guys, because that's just what I do. Everything I go through in life, you know, I have to write that down, and it really helps me. And that's why I'm sharing this with you guys, because I want you guys to know that it's okay to talk to yourself in your notebook. And you know, you be like, dang, that's what I go through in life. That's exactly what I go through. That's what I go through. Yeah, girl, that's just how it is. And I usually just be like, dang, like you could just be like, oh, I want to reach this or this, I want to go to school for this, or you know, I want to get this. Write that down in your notebook, girl. If you really want to do something, write down in your notebook. And then you look back and you read that and be like, I'm doing it now. I am doing the things that I want to do right now. And that is so amazing, because everything I'm accomplishing right now is so good. It's coming along, and I'm so excited. But I wanted to just share the word with you guys, and the word is faith. Faith. And I am so excited to know that. Get you a notebook and write everything that you want to do in life. Write it down, because girl, it's really, really, it's so weird because I'm so excited to just talk to you guys and tell you guys what I do. And that's just what I do. I always give me a notebook and just write it down. But yeah, back to this hair. It's just time to take it out. And I think I want to get this color again, but not in the next video. I probably just give me another hairstyle or something. I don't know. Probably another 27 piece. I love short hairstyles, and that's just how I maintain my hair. I was gonna give me some like human hair, but girl, I don't know. I just don't like fluttering my hair every day, like, and just plucking my hair. But I like doing that, but girl, I just don't know. I'm thinking about it, but girl, don't know. I guess things will come along when, you know, I go to the store or something. Maybe I'll take you guys to the store with me or something. I don't know. But enough said. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. I am so tired now. Moving along. Bye.